How to enable voice typing on how Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open keyboard on any app. I'll open in Notes. You'll find Settings option on top of the keyboard. Click on that. You'll find Voice Typing below Glide Typing and above Clipboard. Click on Voice Typing. Then turn Use Voice Typing on. You can also turn on faster voice typing. Once downloaded, it's available offline as well. After you're done, go back. You'll find mic-like option on top of the keyboard on the right side. Click on that and speak. As you speak, it types. And that's how you enable voice typing on OnePlus. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.